In a world of shifting sands, 1,000 empty lands, I was wandering, lost and searching for a sign. Then you came like gentle rain, washed away the doubt and pain. A melody, a sweet and pure design. You are the peace that calms my soul, the story I once told, my happiness, a sun that never sets. In your eyes I see my home, a garden I have grown. My love for you is all I won't forget.
Sepotong tempe di piring sendu, di warteg kumuh pinggir jalan baru. Aku duduk di situ, lewat mata kami bertemu, waktu sejenak tersedak. Cinta sepotong tempe, siapa sangka di warteg sederhana asmara membara. Sepotong tempe jadi cerita, aku dan dia, siapa menduga. Nasi putih hangat, sambal menyengat, dia pesan suara lembut, aku terpikat. Meja kayu goyah, gelas plastik murahan, tapi senyumnya, oh jadi navy blue skies and a sunrise hue, orange accents dancing like they knew. Secret to charm, to style, to grace, wrapped up tight in this high flying space. Closed toe steps through the aisle so neat, second hand ticking, steady heartbeat. Simple bags but the vibes elite.